we are trying to get through to them, and we got a call back from them yesterday, and they want us to send up a request to, I guess, one of her assistants, asking to be able to testify before that committee ends its investigation. We hope that we'll get an invite to go up there and just tell them what we know and show the evidence and stay as long as they want, answer any questions. I told them that we would get sworn in, answer all the questions that the people on the committee might have. And so I think that right now, with the situation the way it is in the country, there'll be a lot of heat on the president in the next month or two. And if he were to make an announcement relatively soon, actually tomorrow would be the best day, that there will be people coming up to that oversight committee who have another direction that they want to look at. And he might be the president who, after 62 years, brought out the truth. And that's the kind of thing that probably would help him, whether you're a Democrat or a Republican.
Over the weekend, I went to my 45th college class reunion at the Citadel, and I met with Nancy Mace, Congresswoman, Republican from the 1st District of South Carolina. She's going to run for governor in South Carolina, and I'm going to support her. And we're hoping that I've got her Director of Operations contact, and I'm going to send him a package of material, including this podcast, and hope that, it'll also increase our chances that we'll get an opportunity to speak to Congress about and get Jim and Pam to, I guess by computer because of Jim's medical condition, to testify before Congress. But to me, if they know about it and they're not willing to at least listen to what Jim has to say, who am I? I was 5 years old when Kennedy was assassinated. But I found about this information, from our previous calls when I was with the state police in Virginia, and tried to kind of make it public. And it just seems like at every corner, there's some kind of opposition that wants to, that doesn't even want to hear the story. That's the interesting thing. It's not like they say, okay, well, come on in and sit down and tell us what happened. And then they, I guess they don't want to spend the rest of the year feeding some kind of disinformation, the old motto, deny everything, admit nothing, and make counter accusations. So